Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix block blast sound not working. If there is no sound during gameplay, this is usually a setting or a device issue. First, check your phone's media volume to ensure silent mode is off. Also, to ensure the silent mode is off, on the top of your volume button you'll see a small button. You can either swipe it up or swipe it down. By swiping it up, silent mode will turn off, and then open block blast settings on the top right corner, and then check your phone's media volume, and then make sure all sound options are enabled. Then go ahead and disconnect Bluetooth devices to rule out output issues. Then restart the app or device if it is necessary. Once adjusted, game music and effects should play normally, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.